This is the trade that I took today. We did not have any news, so I just waited for the afternoon to get into a trade. I saw that we had a 60-minute fair value gap, which I have noted here on the chart in this yellow box. I'm going to expand it a bit so you can see the full executions. I did get into a long position. Price was showing me that it had a willingness to go up, and I went with that bias based on just the candles that I saw. Hopefully I can show you that this long green candle here, because that wick was so long and the candle did not close below, I went with the idea that price did not want to go down, it wanted to go up, and I knew that we have this 60-minute fair value gap above, and I felt like that was a draw on liquidity, and so I entered into a long position. Also paying attention to the time, I know around 2:30 price looks to retrace, and because it was about 2 p.m. I figured I could get into a long position. This was my first exit. I just wanted to grab a couple of points because you had this area where there was 3 relatively equal highs. So I went in as a short target to grab a couple of points on that first trade. And I saw that price still wanted to go up, and I figured the next target would be that fair value gap on the 60-minute. And so I did enter into another long position with my exit right below that fair value gap, maybe one tick below, because my assumption was that price was going to run to this area and then immediately reject down. And it seems as though that's exactly what happened. You can see that red candle there that is going with that rejection soon as we entered into that yellow area, which is the 60-minute fair value gap. Here is the execution on the 5-minute chart. I did layer into this position, so there are lots of numbers. Let me see if I can remove some of them and just use the arrows for the entry. So you can see where I exited that first position, and there's also a little fair value gap there, and there's one below which I haven't outlined, but price is still running into the 60-minute fair value gap, and then maybe we will get a bit of a retrace down. But this was the trade that I took today. If you found this explanation helpful, please comment below and subscribe and share with a friend. Thanks for watching.